Welcome to Bike Review Pro. Today, we are taking a deep and luxurious dive into the new Mercedes-Maybach S-Class 2025, one of the world's most exclusive flagship sedans. The Maybach S-Class has always stood for ultimate comfort, handcrafted luxury, elite engineering, and unmatched road presence. In this full review, we explore its design, performance, technology, features, and the extraordinary experience it delivers to owners. The world of Maybach, a true symbol of prestige. The name Maybach represents a class above standard luxury. It stands for craftsmanship, personalization, and quiet power. The 2025 Mercedes-Maybach S-Class continues this legacy with innovations in comfort, new digital systems, and even more refined materials. This car is not simply transportation, it is a statement of elite lifestyle. Every detail is engineered to deliver an experience that blends innovation with timeless elegance. Exterior design, presence, elegance, and power. The exterior design of the 2025 Maybach S-Class is instantly recognizable. The signature Maybach grille with its vertical chrome bars, the long hood, extended wheelbase, and exclusive two-tone paint options create an unmistakable presence. The new model receives redesigned digital LED headlights, smoother body lines, and enhanced chrome elements. The wheels are larger, quieter, and more aerodynamic. The stance is commanding, elegant, and perfectly balanced. Every inch reflects power without aggression, just pure sophistication. The rear cabin, the heart of the Maybach experience. The true magic of the Maybach lies in the rear cabin. This is where luxury reaches its peak. The 2025 model features reclining executive seats with massaging functions, leg rests, heated armrests, cooling ventilation, and an extended footrest system. The seats are wrapped in ultra-soft Nappa leather with the new Maybach stitching pattern. A Starlight-style ambient lighting system fills the cabin with customizable mood themes. Rear passengers enjoy their own display screens, wireless controls, and a refrigerator for beverages. This space is designed like a private jet cabin, quiet, comfortable, and completely isolated from the outside world. Interior design, handcrafted perfection. The 2025 Maybach interior elevates craftsmanship with new wood veneers, metal accents, and refined stitching patterns. The entire cabin integrates a floating OLED display, a premium MBUX infotainment system, and one of the quietest interior sound environments ever engineered. Every element, from the seat buttons to the air vents, feels handcrafted and bespoke. Ambient light glows through metal perforations, and the crystal-style dashboard gives the cabin an artistic finish. Performance, powerful, silent, and smooth. The new Mercedes-Maybach S-Class 2025 offers a choice of powerful engines, including a refined V8 and an ultra-smooth V12. Despite its size, the car accelerates effortlessly thanks to advanced turbocharging, electric boost assistance, and intelligent power distribution. The sedan glides rather than drives. Noise cancellation technology and active suspension systems eliminate vibration, noise, and road harshness. This isn't a performance machine like an AMG. Instead, it is a masterpiece of smoothness, designed to make passengers feel like they are floating. Driving experience, the art of comfort. Behind the wheel, the Maybach S-Class feels controlled and graceful. For passengers, the experience is even more impressive. With the active body control, the car reads the road using cameras and adjusts the suspension before hitting any bumps. The result is a ride that is more comfortable than a private limousine. Rear-wheel steering also makes the extended wheelbase sedan surprisingly agile at slower speeds. The 2025 model further enhances comfort with improved sound dampening and a more intelligent adaptive ride system. Technology and infotainment, the future of luxury. Technology in the 2025 Maybach S-Class focuses on elegance and simplicity. The latest MBUX system offers stunning graphics, voice-activated controls, smart learning capabilities, and a redesigned user interface. Rear passengers get tablets for entertainment, seat control, climate settings, and communication with the driver. The audio system is a 4D surround sound setup that uses seat vibrations to create an immersive experience, making music feel alive. Every technological system works together to create a seamless luxury environment. Safety and ADAS features. The Maybach S-Class 2025 is loaded with top-tier safety technologies. These include advanced radar systems, multiple cameras, lane keeping assistance, collision prevention, blind spot monitoring, and semi-autonomous driving capabilities. The structural design, airbags, and smart safety logic ensure maximum protection for passengers. Mercedes continues its focus on top-rated safety, even in the highest luxury segment. Aerodynamics and engineering detail. Even though luxury is the top priority, engineering excellence is equally important. The Maybach S-Class uses intelligent aerodynamics to reduce drag and wind noise. Smooth underbody panels, active grille shutters, and precision-designed side mirrors help improve efficiency and silent operation. The structure uses lightweight materials, ensuring better fuel efficiency and improved handling, despite its size. The Maybach presents a statement of status. The Mercedes-Maybach is more than a car, it's a symbol. It represents success, achievement, and elite taste. Its presence on the road commands respect and admiration. The 2025 model enhances this presence with new signature design cues, exclusive colors, and customizable luxury packages. Comfort and practicality. Even though the Maybach S-Class is a luxury flagship, it is surprisingly practical. The cabin offers multiple storage spaces, intuitive controls, and a spacious trunk. The car is mostly chauffeur-driven, but owners who prefer driving themselves will appreciate its smoothness, visibility, and advanced driver aids. Customization options. Your Maybach, your style. Mercedes-Maybach offers an extremely wide range of customizations. These include interior materials, two-tone paint finishes, unique wheel designs, rear entertainment options, exclusive fragrances, and personalized cabin themes. The car can essentially be tailored to any lifestyle or preference, making each Maybach unique. Overall verdict: the pinnacle of modern luxury. The new Mercedes-Maybach S-Class 2025 stands at the top of the luxury hierarchy. It blends quiet performance, unmatched comfort, handcrafted materials, elegant design, and futuristic technology. For those who want the ultimate luxury sedan and an experience that feels like a private luxury suite on wheels, the Maybach S-Class remains the gold standard. Outro, Bike Review Pro. This completes